In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure approval processes in Zoho CRM. If you want records such as deals, quotes, purchase orders, or entries from a custom module to be automatically routed for review, approved, or rejected with clear follow-up actions, this walkthrough will guide you end to end. Start by opening Zoho CRM with an account that has administrator or manage automation permission. Click the Setup Gear icon, go to Process Management, and choose Approval Processes. Then select Add Approval Process to begin. This is where you'll define the framework for how records move through review. Next, set up the process basics. Choose the module where approvals are needed, for example, deals or quotes. Give your process a clear name and description so your team knows when it applies. Something like large discount approval. Decide when the process should run, on record creation, on edits that meet your conditions, or both. Pick the option that reflects how your team works, so approvals trigger at the right moment. Now add the rule that determines which records enter the process. Click Add Rule to this process and define your criteria, such as deal amount greater than a specific value. You can combine multiple conditions using AND or OR to capture nuanced scenarios. If you create more than one rule, you can reorder them later to change priority. Choose who will approve the records. You can target specific users, entire roles or groups, or rely on your reporting hierarchy for managers. If needed, use the record owner or a user lookup field, which is helpful for routing to the right person automatically. Define the approver logic. If you select anyone, a single approver can complete the review. If you choose everyone, all approvers must sign off. Use sequential for a defined order or parallel to let approvers review at the same time. This choice has a big impact on speed and control. Configure what happens when a record is approved. You can update fields such as setting the status to approved, send email alerts, assign follow-up tasks, and trigger webhooks or custom functions. Apply actions after each stage and after final approval to keep workflows consistent. Set rejection actions too. Send notifications, update fields to reflect the outcome, and trigger webhooks or functions so stakeholders are informed and next steps are clear. Decide on record locking and edit permissions. You can lock records while approval is pending, allow limited edits, or permit changes after rejection to fix issues without losing control. Optionally, add process admins who can view all pending records, approve or reject on behalf of others, take over approvals if needed, and edit records during approval. When everything looks good, click Save. Your process becomes active, and any record that matches your criteria will automatically enter the approval flow.